Good morning, friends. As usual, whenever I go out, I go there also in for morning walk. And today I am in Durgapur. Uh, Near Regional Engineering College Durgapur. Earlier it was REC, now it is called NIT. So this is a straight road going towards Benachetty market. So again the message is that try to never miss the morning chorus. Wherever you are, if you get the time, see, it all depends on you. You are the best manager of your time, and certainly if you become a habitual of getting up in Brahma Muhurt, then certainly you will be having 2 hours for yourself in the morning, which is generally most of us are not doing. We are having a very bad habit of going late to bed and getting up just at the critical time. What is critical time? If you don't get up at that time, you will be late to your office, to your school, to drop your kids to bus stop or carpool. So this is a typical lifestyle we all are living now, and we are ruining ourselves. हम अपने आप को जानते हुए बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. रीज़न है मॉडर्न एमेनिटीज़. इतनी सारी सुविधाएं मिल गई हैं कि हम उसको एंजॉय करते करते बीमार होते जा रहे हैं. मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ यू डोंट एंजॉय, बट एंजॉय and keep yourself health intact. So for that, only very simple equation is get up in Brahma Muhurt 4:30, and certainly if you get up at 4 or 4:30, you just visualize you are having more than 2 hours for yourself. If you don't have, even after getting up at 4 or 4:30, 2 hours, simply change the job. Simply change the job. Otherwise, suffering is inevitable in your life. You need to correct your schedule of day. Otherwise, old age diseases, you all are seeing along with me that hospitals are cropping up like mushroom, and every 1 kilometer there is either nursing home or a big hospital in all the cities. And if you see the crowd in those hospitals, you will feel like almost all are sick. 90% of the people are sick, and this sickness is only due to your lethargic lifestyle. अंग्रेज़ों ने आपको बर्बाद कर दिया. अंग्रेज़ों ने आपको फटा हुआ जीन्स पहना दिया. फटा हुआ जीन्स पहनकर आप गर्व करते हो. It's really ridiculous uh, that a tattered jeans you are wearing, that also you are paying for that tattered jeans another 1000 to 2000 rupees, and the label is some western level, USA level, and you are proud of it. Gentlemen, you are in a mrig marichika. Come out of it. Come out of the trap of western spoiled culture and adopt Vedic culture of India, of Dhyan, Yoga, Pranayam in Brahma Muhurt, along with brisk morning walk, yatra, daily. If you try to do it daily, I am not saying every 30 days you will be able to do it, but I know if you are totally dedicated, then average you will be 27 to 28 days you will be maintaining your schedule, and 1 or 2 days if you are skipping. Only I will tell, only brisk morning walk you can skip, but pranayam you cannot skip. Pranayam is like 8 medicines. Wherever you are, in whatever condition you are, you can do pranayam. So morning, just see people woke up and they are dropping their kids to their schools. So they are waking up at critical time. अरे मेरे पास तो टाइम नहीं है, आमी तो टाइम ही पाई ना. I am so busy. Never say I am busy. Say always I am easy. In mind, then you will find time for yourself. So again, this is Durgapur. This is Durgapur, and this is called MG Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road. So, and this road is crossing NIT Durgapur. So again, I am trying to motivate the lethargic people to come out of the trap and start giving time to yourself. The day you will start giving 2 hours to yourself, the life will change. It will totally change. And I am telling you, if you do all the 8 pranayams as per schedule given by me in YouTube, Technocrat Yog Guru Devesh, within 3 months, 99% of your diseases will start vanishing. Magic will not happen all of a sudden. It takes time, and within a year you will feel the difference, and you will be confident that this problem has come. See, problems will come due to our food habits, junk foods and all. But if you do all the 8 pranayams, you know for this problem in the body what is the medicinal pranayam for that. Medicinal pranayam, why I am telling, if you do all the 8 pranayams, it is 8 types of medicines. For one example I am giving you, if you are having problem in the system, from stomach to anal. Two pranayams are very effective. What are the problems from stomach to anal? Indigestion, gas, acidity, ulcer, then peptic ulcer, I mean to say peptic ulcer, then kidney problem, prostate problem, then piles, fistula. All these are related to the system between stomach to anal. Nothing will be there, my dear friend, nothing will be there. And Vayha Pranayama and Agnishara are very simple, only 3 times you do every day. All these problems what I have told will never come. If it has come, it will die down the moment you will do the pranayams. So thank you very much. Again, I am trying to motivate you people. I am already motivated. I am trying to share my knowledge of yoga and pranayam to all online by putting this type of video. So again, Devesh Chandra, Technocrat Yog Guru Devesh, nicknamed T Guru. Have a nice day. Have a nice Guru Var. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. Brahma Tattva is inbuilt in you. Vishnu Tattva is half inbuilt and half you learn in this physical journey. Shiv Tattva you are not aware of. We have not been taught in our schools. Neither parents have taught Shiv Tattva. So Shiv Tattva is missing in your life. Shiv Tattva is basically spiritual journey. So this yatra, brisk morning walk and all 8 pranayams are the basic learning stage of Shiv Tattva. The ultimate stage of Shiv Tattva is enlightenment, Buddhatva ki prapti. So certainly it will take time. It's not easy to achieve an enlightenment, and this will happen only with your rigorous and arduous effort daily to keep yourself fit and slowly drift towards the samadhi. So, but gentlemen, till you are grihast, I tell, first follow only first 4 yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, and after 65 years of age, when your liabilities are over, you can switch over to Vairagya. Vairagya means Pratyahar, Dharna, Dhyan and Samadhi. First 4 are Hatha Yoga, balance 4 are Raj Yoga. So Raj Yoga is not needed for the Grihast people. The people who have almost completed all the liabilities of Grihast can switch over to Vairagya. Again, I will tell all the 4: Pratyahar, Dharna, Dhyan and Samadhi. Thank you very much. This is again Devesh Chandra. Have a nice day.